Welcome to my channel. This is Girl Diva right here. And right now I'm gonna be unboxing this bad baby. 50-inch. There's Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and all the channels. And I got this for my baby. It's gonna be his birthday. It's a gift. I just wanna say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, my son. Yes, guys, help me to unbox this bad baby. It's my son's birthday gift. I can see some things in there right now. Remote. Wow. There's a plug. The leg. Another feet. So you put your body so when you do it. Unboxing this bad boy. Guys, this is my son's 20th birthday and it's his present for his birthday gift. That's the leg. That's the cord. Another leg right here. Let me see what's in here. Yeah. So this one. This one, you have to take out these pieces, the protectors. See, look, this is what we do. We play with it, but I don't want to mess it up because it's gonna mess up my living room. So I won't mess it up. So these are what we play with. And look inside here. A nice 50-inch. Nice 50-inch.
That's right.
From Jamaica to the world I shine.
I'm struggling.
Curves with confidence, one of a kind.
Television.
Helping dreams grow like the morning sun.
I'm struggling.
Fluffy divas here, let the work be done. Fluffy and fierce, that's my decree. Passion flows like waves in the sea. Young creators rise, it's time to clean. I'm the fluffy diva chasing the dream. Build your channel brick by brick. Turn your vision into
Thank you guys for
something
watching. Lots of love.
No limits here, just endless sky.
Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Let your spirit rise. Fluffy and fierce, that's my decree.
That's what it takes to get me.
Passion flows
Blessings,
like
everyone.
waves in the sea.
Thank you, bye.
Young creators rise, it's time to
Love Diva TV signing off.